Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. As you know, our first chapter, large number, is going on, and the topic which is going on, that is Roman numerals. And children, now we have to learn or discuss about rule number 3. So, before going to the rule 3 of Roman numeral, we will again discuss rule number 1 and 2, which we have discussed yesterday. Children, welcome to e-learning classes. As you know, your first chapter is going on and your topic is Roman numerals. So, today let us learn about Roman numerals. Children, we know that the ancient Roman used letters to write numbers. Even today, the building date on monuments or public buildings is marked in Roman numerals. And we also use Roman numerals in clocks and watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. So, we will see here which letters we use as a Roman numeral. So, let us see here. This table is made. One is symbol and another is numbers. So, this is I, this is V, this is X, L, C, D and M. So, children, these 7 letters we use for Roman numerals. In numbers, I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. Now, after learning the symbols, we need to remember 3 rules while writing the Roman numeral. Let us learn each rule one by one. So children, you can see here I have written 3 rules for writing Roman numerals. That are, first is rule of repetition, second rule of addition and third rule of subtraction. Now children, we will learn about first rule. What is first rule? That is rule of repetition. So, in rule 1, first rule is when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. If we will repeat a symbol 2 times, so that will be multiplied by 2, and if we repeat the symbol 3 times, so that will be multiplied by 3. Now, for example, you can see here that one table is made. One is Roman numerals and another is Hindu Arabic numerals. So children, you can see here in 3 columns, M is written, M is written and M is written. One time N, twice and thrice it is written. So meaning of M, we use M as 1000, twice M as 1000 multiplied by 2, that is 2000, and triple M means thrice, so 1000 multiplied by 3, that is 3000. Once again, M is 1000, double M is 1000 multiplied by 2, 2000, and triple M is 1000 multiplied by 3, that is 3000. Now, second rule of first rule is, that is repetition. Second rule is symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Means these 4 symbols, that is I, X, C and M, are repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Children, example we will see. So by mistake I have written here Roman and here Hindu Arabic. So our table is, first column is Hindu Arabic numerals and second column is Roman numerals. So children, we can see here in Hindu Arabic numerals column we have written 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in Roman numerals 1 is written as I, 2 is written as 2I and 3 is written as 3I. So children, what we see here, that this rule means that I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. So in 1 we can write as I, 2 we can write as 2I, 3 we can write as 3I. But in 4 we don't write 4 as 4I because this is not correct, this is incorrect, and we don't write I more than 3 times. So children, clear this example? Now C is the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. So example you can see here, Hindu Arabic numeral is 10, again 10. Roman numerals is, we have written double V and X. So how we can understand it, this table? So this means that we do not write number 10 by repeating V, because we don't repeat V, L and D again. Then we can write 10 as X. So we don't write 10 as V or V, double V. We write only 10 with the help of X. So this example shows that we don't repeat V, L and D. Now children, rule 2. What is rule 2? Now let us see. Rule 2 is rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. What does it mean? It means then that when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right side of the higher value, so we, in that condition, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Now as example we will see, let us consider X and I. So what do you mean by X? X means 10. And what do you mean by I? I means 1. So what does 10 and 1 means? 10 plus 1 become 11. And 11, for the symbol of 11 is XI. So the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman numeral is 11. Clear? Children, finally we have the third rule. What is third rule? Third rule is rule of subtraction. Now first rule of subtraction is, if a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, XC is given. We have taken XC. So what is the meaning of X? X has the value of 10 and C has the value of 100. Now together XC means 100 minus 10. So it will be equal to 90. So children, here according to the rule, if a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, so X is smaller value and C has greater value, higher value. So smaller value is written left to the higher value. So in that condition we will minus smaller value from the higher value. Clear? Now second rule is the symbol V, L and D cannot be from any number. So for example, we have taken 95. So children, 95 cannot be written as 100 minus 5, which is equal to VC, but it should be written as 90 plus 5. Whenever we are writing in 95, so we don't use 100 minus 5 to write 95. We always use 90 plus 5 to write 95. So correct way of writing 95 is 95 is equal to 90 plus 5, or in Roman numeral X, C and V. So X, C, V is equal to 95. Now third rule of subtraction is I, X and C are used to subtract. So for this rule there are just 6 combinations are given. So IV is equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Second is IX equal to 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Third is XL equal to 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC means 100 minus 10, that is 90. CD, that is 500 minus 100, that is 400. CM 1000 minus 100, that is 900. Clear? Now let us see how to read and write the larger Roman numerals. Look at example number 1. What is MCM XXXI equals 2? So this is the question. So children, keeping in mind the rules explained earlier, we first write this number into 10, 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, now from this Roman numeral we will see 1000 is M, 100 is CM, 10 is XXX and I is ones. Once again you can see 1000 is M, 100 is CM, tens is triple X and 0 is I. So now let us write down the values of respective numerals. So M means the value of M is equal to 1000. Value of CM is 1000 minus 100, that is 900. Value of XXX is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. And value of I is 1. Now on adding 1000, 900, 30, 1. 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1. So what we will get? We'll get the answer as 1931. So the MCM XXXI is equal to 1931. Clear? Now let us look at the another example. What is the example 2? Example 2 is write 3817 in Roman numeral. So we first write the number 3817 in expanded rotation. How we will write? 3817 as 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. How we do expanded form? That's like that only we will write the expanded rotation of 3817. Now write the Roman numeral value of each, that is 3000 means MMM, 800 means DCCC, 10 means X, 7 means VII, which is equal to MMM, DCCC, XVII. Clear? Both the example in both way, how to convert Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic and how to convert Hindu Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. So both the way we have done here. So now children, for homework you revise and learn the concept of Roman numerals and solve the example in your rough copy. Thank you and have a nice day.